All right, it's been a while. Like three weeks. So, mammoth thing got planned. I got multiple tears in my rotator cuff, so I'm on recovery for the next like month and a half, around about. So yeah, right now, bike work for my dad. That brake's soft. Yeah, bike work for my dad. My 250 is perfect. Can't do anything on it. So yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. We gotta get the wheel off this thing, rear wheel, change sprocket. Already put levers on. Can't see them because it's an enduro thing. I already forgot everything else I need to do. Oh yeah, I need to load it up, clean it, air filter. Let's see how much I get done today. Don't really feel in the mood to, work on bikes right now. So. That didn't take long, but man, it's a bitch getting in between two bikes that are that close. We don't have that much room, so we've got a few bikes tied up against each other. But that gas, we're trying to get rid of that thing. 23,250, 10 hours. Basically, what's it got? Aftermarket wheels, some Phoenix suspension, full FMF, Race Tech head. So yeah, let me know if you are interested in that. Also got stock parts for it, stock exhaust. We have a stock head, so yeah. All right, rear wheel on. Rear wheel on. So kind of done everything I can for this bike today. Wasn't much, just putting on the rear wheel. But gonna get my bags packed for when I'm away, because it's like, I think the second last week I'm there, I can ride again. So I might get a day or two in while I'm out there. So gonna pack a few things, also taking a old exhaust with me to throw down, because I'm gonna sell my bike that I got out there while I'm out there. So haven't cleaned out my bag in a good year. So let's get this thing cleaned out. All right, I'm packing pretty light, or well, I'd say it's light, because I've already got a helmet and stuff over there. So all I really need is boots, knee brace. I got gear, but I'm taking an extra set, mountain bike helmet and mountain bike shoes and exhaust. So yeah, that's all I've really still have taken so far. All right, got basically everything packed I'm taking with. I'll see how much it weighs. Depending on how much it weighs, I'll probably either put some more clothes in there or leave it at that, because I kind of have the feeling that it's going to be super close. Last time I went, I think I took around about the same, but I didn't take an exhaust. And I think I was like only a couple pounds off max. So we'll see. If anything, I'll just pay for extra, because I really want to ride if I can. But yeah, I'll be taking a carry-on anyways, so I'll have enough room for clothes, and I've got some clothes there, so yeah. All right, just waited. We're in the good. We're only at 30 pounds. I think we're allowed 52. So a bunch of extra room for stuff to take there and stuff to bring back. I think we're gonna leave the exhaust there. We're gonna sell the bike with that on. Another bike for sale, KTM 250 2019. If you live in the UK, I'll probably be going down to kind of north of England a little bit, right in there. So if Scotland, England, I can drive to you basically. So yeah, I'm kind of looking at my dad's 450 tire right now. Looks pretty bold. So who knows? Maybe I'll do that now while I do the moose on this bike. And yeah, I might only do one of them. I don't think I have any mooses, or my dad has no mooses. So, okay, couldn't find from moose. So, guess that's bike work done for today. I'll probably get the moose changed tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon at some point. Get this bike washed, put their filters in, and then I think all I need to do is load the van for my dad. And then we're good. All right, little issue. There is a pretty dead rattlesnake in the back of the Sprinter with a bunch of washer and dryers, or two. So I gotta figure it out. Got some GoPro of me trying to get it out. It was bad. Stinks to hell. If you know, you know. And dude, it just fell apart whenever you tried to grab it. So my buddy does this full time, Hayden. He's gonna come give us a little help tomorrow morning, because it's bad. And it's stuck under the dryer as well. I don't know how it got in there. I think it was like in the dryer or the washer or something, but it's bad. And I need to get these bikes in there ASAP. Preferably today, but I guess tomorrow now. So yeah, like I smell it. It's right there. I can smell it from here. It's bad. All right. So it's Wednesday. We got that snake cleaned up. That was no fun. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't do much of the taking out, but I just had to clean that van. No fun. Stinks like crazy. But on our way to the gym, gonna get in a little bit of abs, a little bit of cardio. I'm trying to do that like every day, every other day, just to keep going, keep fit, you know? So yeah, I need to find my AirPods. I have no idea where they are. And grab a towel for the sauna. So yeah, update you guys when I'm there. All right, we just finished at the gym. We also just got a new haircut for my trip. So yeah, about to go get some shoulder injections to try heal it a little faster. And then yeah, fly out to my dad's race tomorrow. Drive home Sunday, and then I head out Wednesday. So I'll probably record quite a bit this weekend. At least try to remember to. And yeah. All right, it is time. We're about to head out to Donner for USHardenduro series. I don't know what it's called. It's for my dad. So yeah, I think getting picked up in like 10 minutes. Get to the airport, fly there, race tomorrow. Let's get it. Morning from I don't know, Nevada, California, somewhere in the mountains. It's nice and cold. Good change from Arizona. Cold morning. About finished watching the rugby, South Africa dominating again, and then we're heading for breakfast. And then the race only starts at like sometime between 12 and 2, so we got a bunch of time. First time wearing a sweater in ages. So it's kind of nice. So yeah, Let's get excited for my dad.
I go.
Track walk, 8,000 feet. Hard to breathe. All right, race is about to start. Let's get it. We're getting some clips for some people. It's hard. We're on the side of a ski resort, like 8,000 feet. Man, it's hard to breathe up here when you're running around, but feeling pretty good. Excited. Everyone's chilling. No one's sending the rock. This guy's ruining the fun. Yeah! 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 Oh! Woo! Oh! Whew. That was a climb and a half. Sun's up there. 8,000 feet. It's beautiful though. Yeah.
Can I have your attention for just one moment longer? I'd like to point out our safety features on board.
Alright guys, we're back next morning, and yeah, that's the end of this. So hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and let's get it.